Good afternoon, everybody. Hello, Nana.
Hi.
Nana and I are making green bean soup. It's Morgan's favorite and Courtney's also, but Courtney's not here. So I will show you what we are starting with. First of all, we sauteed one large onion diced in a half a stick of butter. I put in about probably a teaspoon to probably about a tablespoon of garlic. And we are going to put in 2 pounds of green beans. And Nana is cutting up some potatoes. And I have this guy. I added 1 carrot, and then I'm going to add 2 stalks of celery, and then put water over the whole mess, as my mother-in-law would say. Okay, I have added my celery, 2 stalks of celery, and I have filled it with water, you know, a little bit higher than all the vegetables, and I have it on kind of a medium temperature, and I am going to add bouillon, probably, 4 to 6 bouillon cubes. I really like better than bouillon better, but I don't have any. So this is what it looks like. We're just going to wait for the vegetables to cook, mainly the carrots. Those will probably take the longest, but it looks pretty darn good. And we added our bouillon. We actually ended up adding like 7 or 8. So I wanted to have a lot of flavor. You want to add the water. Looking at my mother-in-law's recipe, we called her Ma. It says about 3 inches above the vegetables. You fill it with water. So.
Oh my God!
It's looking really good. And he's still looking at us. Look at him. He's still watching.
Oh God, I'm burning up.
There you go. This is a cream-based soup we are making. So now that the soup is done, we are making the cream part of it, and it's 16 ounces of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of flour, and a little bit of milk. And we're going to stir that up, and then we are going to temper it by putting the hot soup in there so it doesn't curdle, and then we're going to add it all to the soup. But you have to do it slowly. If you just put all these cold ingredients in the hot soup, it's going to get all curdled and gross. So you want to do it slowly. So you're just going to put a few tablespoons of hot soup into this mixture and do it slowly so then it does not curdle. Now with the sour cream, flour, and milk mixture mixed up, we are now going to add just a little ladle of soup. We are going to mix that together, and we're going to keep doing it until this mixture is just a little bit warm. There's no rush, just take your time. It's kind of hard to do without holding the bowl, but just keep doing it, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I think we're just about there, and what you're going to do now is pour this mixture into the soup. And mix it up good, and bring it to a boil, and it will thicken. Then the secret is adding vinegar at the end. You probably want to add, depending on how much vinegar you like. My kids like a lot. Probably 1 to 2 tablespoons. Start with 1 tablespoon, see how you like it, and just add it to taste. Also add pepper. I don't add salt only because there's so much salt in the bouillon cubes, but looks pretty good. I'm going to bring that to a boil, and bon appetit.